everyone, and welcome back to the Ninja Bun YouTube channel. Well, the votes came in, and the popular vote was all green. So in today's video, I'm going to get you a close look at these Armour body Racetrack Fairings that were painted by Dalton Collision Center in Dalton, Georgia. But before we do that, I want to show you a couple shots of them painting these parts in the paint booth. Stand by. All right, let's take a closer look at this. It is absolutely fabulous. The paint and the finish on this is incredible. I put all the screws, the well nuts, the collars, and everything fit nice and snug, just like you would expect it from OEM. And the nose is absolutely perfect. And when we got the belly here just looking awesome. And we got the tail with the blue diamond on it. And you can just tell the finish is perfect here. And then we got the fender, all right? And I went ahead and put the brake line brackets on there with rivets. But over here we have the stickers. These are all the stickers I've collected over the years. And I got some from Backcountry Motorsports. Chris was kind enough to help me out with purchasing those headlamp stickers for the ZX6R. And the plan is to put at least one of each sticker on one side and then mirror the other side. But if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. But other than that, we're in good shape. It'll be about 2 to 3 weeks before I put the fairings on. I want to ride the ZX6 for a couple more times before I do that. But I appreciate you all watching, and I look forward to hearing your comments. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.